All right, so these are all the items you have and or need. So we have our 2 bags of candy melts, a bag of marshmallows. You can also use sprinkles, or you can use. We're going to use Fruity Pebbles today. We're going to use mini M&Ms. You can use anything like that. So that's that. And then finally over here we have our chocolate molds. We have a princess crown mold and a circular mold as well. And inside you'll have a whole bunch of sticks. You can make about 15 lollipops there as well. So those are the ingredients you need. You also need a glass dish, which I'm going to show you how to use in one moment. All right, so today I'm using a hot plate. We can also use a microwave. I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. So I put my glass dish on my hot plate. You're going to open the bag of chocolate. Here we're using a hot plate with our glass dish. It's just a measuring cup, but any kind of glass dish is great. It keeps the chocolate warm for a little bit longer and gives you a chance to work with it while it stays hot, as opposed to plastic or something like that, which will cool the chocolate down fairly quickly. So you want to fill this up with chocolate, and like magic, it's full. All right, you can do a few different things here. You can let that sit for about 20 to 30 minutes and it'll start melting, or you can put it in the microwave. So, or a combination of both. So we're gonna put it in the microwave, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in a moment. All right, so here's our microwave here. Every single microwave is of course different, but you're going to try and look for our cook power button. I usually set the power to power level 3 or power level 4, or even power level 5. On my microwave, I put up power level 3. We do cook time. We'll do it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So after the first round in the microwave, your chocolate may look a little bit like this, a little bit sweaty, but not as melted as you might want it to be. So you're gonna do the same exact thing, power level 3, and for 1.5 minutes again. We'll see how it comes out. All right, and this is after the second 1.5 minutes, and we're gonna dip our spoon in here and see kind of how it's coming out. You can see it's really starting to turn chocolatey. If you turn it a little bit with your spoon, get a good stir going. If you really stir it for about 30 to 40 seconds, you're gonna really start to get that chocolate. That's what it should be looking like. Almost, it's a little bit chunky in there, but it should be looking as smooth as that when you're done. Any kind of chunks or anything, just put it back in the microwave. After the first 2.5 minutes times in the microwave, you don't want to put it in for more than 30 to 45 seconds after that. So 1.5 minutes, you want to check it and stir it. Probably won't be ready. Another 1.5 minutes and it'll probably be ready. You want to keep your hot plate handy. This way it kind of stays warm on the hot plate. The glass dish will warm everything up. And like I said, you don't want to put it on for 3 minutes. I know it's like 1.5 minutes and stop and 1.5 minutes and stop. But if you put it on for 3 minutes, you're likely it's likely going to burn, and you're going to have your whole house smelling like burnt chocolate, so you don't want that. So yeah, 1.5 minutes on low power, stir, 1.5 minutes low power, stir, and you have your chocolate, and you are ready to make some lollipops. All right, so we're using sprinkles and M&Ms today, and we're going to put them inside of the mold. Sean's got his dinosaur. And Gabby's making a Hello Kitty today. Alright, in a moment when they're done, we're going to fill it up with chocolate. Alright, so Gabby's going to spoon the chocolate. And the chocolate's not going to touch the mold. It's just going to hover over. And it's going to go inside the cavity. Don't worry about neatness. Just going to put it over. Probably about 2 spoonfuls. Do a second spoonful. Here's it comes. And that's a second spoonful.
And 2.
All right, and we have a little stick here. We're going to use the stick to kind of push. And then the stick goes down, and you roll the stick into the pot. All right? All right, after that's all done, you're going to tap it against the surface you're working on, against the table. This way it's going to get all the bubbles out and settle everything in there. So it's going to settle all the candy or whatever you put in there in the chocolate and settle into the mold. All right, so we put it in the freezer for about 7 to 10 minutes. You take it out of the freezer and you're going to turn it over on a napkin, and it should pop out. You may have to tap it out, but it should pop right out. Then we have our delicious candy pop.